Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to defuse the spike in Valorant. So, first of all guys, I will need you to go ahead to your practice range and get ahead to spike defuse area. Now, what I will need you to do guys is get ahead and click on stars, but first I highly recommend that you click on F3 and then pick the easiest difficulty because we're gonna just learn how to defuse. We don't really need the hardest bot in order to get to the spike. So make the easiest mode and then click on done and click on start or shoot stars. Here we are. Now let's pick our guns and let's get ahead into it. So let's shoot and kill every single bot inside the game. So here we go. Alright. Alright, here we go, and here we go. Now, as you can see, this is the circle of the spike. So, if I get into it, you will find that at the top of the screen, they will show me how to defuse it, or which key I must hold in order to defuse. So, let me just go back over here. So, let me just go back real quick, and let me just exit like so. Now, for us to know which key it will appear for us there, or for example, it give you like a really random key that you don't know what is it, just go over here into execution and then go to settings and then control. After that, click on equipment and then you will find two sections, weapons and equipment. Go to equipment, go down to equip spike. Here guys, this is the key that will allow you to hold spike, to actually plant the spike and to defuse the spike. So this key has three functions. So what you have to do is just change it to whatever key you'd like and you feel comfortable using during the game. And then let's go stars for example, and let's go kill some boats. So here we go. Okay. All right, I'm doing it better now, I think. Okay, let's check if there's any bots in there. All right, and here we go. So basically now, as you can see, if we hold it, I will start diffusing. Another information, you can hold it until the middle, as you can see here, and it will not go back, so it will still in the middle. And as you can see, this is the animation of it. So when the animation is pretty much so black and dark, just stop diffusing because it will be like too late for you to diffuse and the spike will explode in your face. Since there is no timer and there is no such a thing like in the top of the screen, basically the animation is the thing that will show you when the spike is going to explode or not. So when you see it like a dark circle around it and the spike is rotating so fast, I highly suggest that you stop diffusing and run away to save your guns and to have better like guns in the next round. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.